Learn how to open a padlock using a lockpick. Let's start with a standard key padlock. To make sure that the padlock is in good condition and works correctly, first we will test it with the key. After verifying its operation, we will close the padlock and get rid of the keys, as we will not need them for this procedure. Now we will take a lockpick box and empty it on the table. Next, we will place a sheet of paper next to the table. Then, using tweezers, we will begin to remove the fuel head or the plug of the locks, letting them fall on the sheet of paper. This process will be repeated with approximately 20 locks, which will be more than enough for our purposes. With the help of a hammer, we will grind the phosphorus of the locks until they are well powdered. This powder will be our key ingredient. Next, we will take the padlock, and, with our fingers, we will insert the powder of the locks into the slot where the key is normally inserted. To make sure that the powder reaches the inside, we can use some punching object. Then, we will use a lockpick to carve part of the wood, thus forming a kind of stake that will serve as a wick to open the padlock. Once the wick is prepared, we will proceed to light it with a lighter. You will notice that after an initial reaction, the padlock will open almost immediately. This method can be considered as an emergency trick for when you are out of the house and need to access quickly. If you made it this far, leave padlock emojis so that I know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you watch one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.